In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional invoice using Microsoft Word. Whether you're running a business or just need to bill for your freelance services, creating an invoice is a crucial skill. Plus, Microsoft Word offers built-in tools to make this task straightforward and efficient. So, let's dive right in and explore exactly how to do it. First, we need to launch Microsoft Word, which you can easily find in your applications or programs list. Once you have Word open, the starting point for making an invoice is to create a new document. So, head over to the top left of your screen and click on File, and then select New. You'll be presented with different options here, but what we're interested in is finding an invoice template. In the new screen, you'll see a search box. Go ahead and type invoice to bring up available templates designed specifically for this purpose. Microsoft Word offers a variety of styles, so you might take a moment to browse through the options and see what catches your eye. When you find one that suits your business or personal brand aesthetic, click on Create to open that template in a new document. Now, with the invoice template loaded, you'll notice it comes with sample text and placeholder information. This is where you'll customize it with your specifics. Start by replacing the sample name with your own name or your company name. This is essential for branding and ensuring your client knows who the invoice is from. Next, edit the address and contact information. Make sure it's accurate so your client can reach you if needed. The next task is to personalize the invoice number and date. The invoice number is important for tracking and bookkeeping, so use a unique identifier here. The date usually defaults to the current day, but definitely check and ensure it's correct. Now comes the core of the invoice, filling in the details for the products or services provided. Add each item or service in the designated section, then specify the quantity, the unit price, and calculate the total amount. Most templates will do the math for you once the unit price and quantity are entered, but it never hurts to double-check these amounts for accuracy. Finally, consider adding any payment terms or a thank you note at the bottom of your invoice. This is a good opportunity to gently remind the client of payment timelines or express gratitude for their business, which adds a nice personal touch. Once everything looks good and is polished to your satisfaction, it's time to save your hard work. Click File and then Save As to choose the location where you'd like to store the invoice on your computer and give it a meaningful file name to easily find it later. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've created a professional invoice from scratch using Microsoft Word, ready to send to your clients.